Yeah, we both messed up.
Free for all.
Oh, so that doesn't matter yet. We just gotta get to the first half.
Do not
I'll show
hesitate.
you. Is we gotta switch classes once we get to the first half, because I have a good idea. Well, Devin had a good idea, and I'm gonna go through it. Devin Sniper King, by the way, I'm at his house. Go to the killing area. Go to the slaughterhouse. Wait, let me put down my tax. Yeah. Man, get to the line. Wait, am I the same person as you? Am I the blue guy? Am I wearing blue?
Yeah.
Alright, kill me till we're not the same person. Let's go down here. Am I still the blue guy?
Yes.
But does it switch?
You're blue no matter what. You gotta switch teams.
Oh, I could do that.
You gotta switch teams.
I didn't even know you could do that. Wait. I didn't know you could do that in free for all, my bad. Where are you? Oh, that's Desi. Alright. You ran past me, I was like, what the fuck? Alright, let me kill you now. Fuck, stand still, you bastard. Alright. We're in the place. Look at this perfect line. What? Alright, I used to do that back in the day. Alright, yeah, we're ready when you are. Where are you going, SHaDow?
I was just checking out the area.
No. Stand next to me, SHaDow. Alright.
I'm gonna buy a home.
Alright. Alright. Take out your
Heads
car.
up, enemy
I already did.
RCXD spotted. Hostile RCXD spotted in your area.
If we need to, we'll go alright, slow down. Don't die. Alright, we'll go really slow across. We'll go really slow across the bridge, and I'll make it look fast by fast forwarding. All right.
Oh shit.
Tell me when you're right behind me, cause wait, don't go fast. What are you doing? Don't blow it up. Don't blow it up. Oh my god. Alright, that's close enough.
No, it's still alive. No wait. Let me check. Nope. It's gone.
What? Yeah, it's perfect. It's good enough. No, it's fine. It's fine. Just like bring your car over here now, SHaDow. Actually, I need to blow my car anyway, so I can put the tag down. Alright, go back to the slaughterhouse, SHaDow. Actually, no, I have a car. Go to the end. Follow me, SHaDow. Where are you? Oh wait, we got switch classes. Shit. No, wait. I wanted to put the C4 thing, but then we won't have the tax thing. Oh wait, yeah, we did it. Alright. I have an idea. Switch to the C4 class, everybody, if you don't have it yet. Alright. When we go across the bridge, we're gonna blow up the C4s. Wait, we can't even do that. How are we supposed to do that if we're in a car? Where's the first car? No. Alright. As we drive the cars past, I want C4s to blow up behind them, so we're gonna have to like, make 5 different clips. Right? Yeah, but how we... I just realized you can't do that. Here. Anybody have anybody online? Yeah, I know. Anybody have anybody online?
No. I don't have friends.
Oh, one sec. Okay, I have a couple friends online. I'll try to invite them. Check his calls on Facebook. Okay. Go to Google Chrome. What the hell?
Go do it.
Now we have to wait for that dead body to disappear though, but it doesn't matter because I'm inviting people. Normally I'd be mad though.
Yo, where the hell is my C4 at, dog?
Is he on his phone? Message him there. Message him. Click under the name. Get online, you know, forgetting. Yeah.